we got labubu.
Big into energy.
It's supposed to be big into energy series. We got it from the Pop Mart website. We don't know what's in here. Yep, these are our choices. What are you hoping for, Trin?
Between a love or loyalty.
I want to get either luck or serenity. These baggies are new.
Oh my gosh, no way.
What?
I got the secret one.
What? Love that the teeth is colorful.
It looks so
That is so cute. Let's see. Let's look at the oh my gosh. Black toenails. That is so my jam. I love it. So cute. We got the secret, guys. This one. There is a secret in one in every 72 labubus. So it's very rare. What the heck? What the heck? Okay, my turn.
Okay. It's time for this one.
Okay, let's do this. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Oh. Oh, these big into energies are so cute. I love their colors. They're so vibrant. And look at the teeth. This one's all white, but with a pink nose. And like the eyes.
I nose.
Yeah. Which one is this, Trin?
Loyalty. Big banana. Oof.
Ugh.
Okay.
What's that one?
Okay.
I think I know. The color is kind of showing through the bag.
Okay. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Serenity! Oh, I just said I wanted serenity. I don't know. I just love the green color. It's so refreshing on the eyes. And it's got white teeth again with the green nose. Let's see. Let's look at their toes. And their toes are green. Oh my gosh. So cute. So the secret is so unique in that the teeth colors are all different. Wait, the monsters, their teeth is white except the very last teeth, the yellow.
Oh yeah, there's also the green one too.
The green one has all white teeth, and then there's one green teeth on the corner, and their eyes matches their color too, I think. I can't. I love all of them. Is the secret called Secret?
No.
What's the name of the secret labubu? Is there a name? Because like this one's Serenity and this one is Loyalty. And so what about this one? This unboxing was 10 out of 10. Alright guys, here's our 3 labubus. We're so happy. One of the best unboxings and super random when we bought this. Like we didn't know if we were going to get 3 of a kind, but never in our wildest dreams did we expect to get the surprise labubu. Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing.